What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to do an unboxing and first review of some vinyl wrap for the new car. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and open the box, do a first review, and give you an idea of what I think quality wise, and tell you a little bit about the vinyl we ordered. Alright guys, let's get the vinyl out, see what we think. Alright. So in film, this looks like a black. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is a super dark blue with a little bit of flake in it. Nice. It comes with a bunch of squeegees with felt applied to them, so you don't scratch the vinyl up when you apply it. Nice thing that I didn't expect. Let's bust out the second one. Open up the second one, and then we'll start talking about the quality. They sent me an absolute ton of business cards. And then this one, you see me? This one's for my car, and it looks pretty black, but it's a dark gray. I think in the right lighting conditions, this would look even lighter. But it's a satin gray, satin gunmetal maybe. It's a pretty dark gray, but it isn't black, and it's a satin color, so it's not super duper glossy, but it's not matte either. Everybody's going to the matte finish for their cars right now, but I didn't think that was the look we were trying to go for. So the vinyl quality looks pretty good. It'll be kind of hard to tell until we do the actual install or start installing it even a little bit, because without installing it, you can't really tell how well it stretches around corners or conforms to surfaces. And some vinyl, when it stretches, it discolors. So it'd be hard to say with complete certainty that it's good quality, but my initial impression is it's going to be nice vinyl. I think the color's a little darker than I wanted, but I think that once we put it on a, you know, like the large flat surfaces of a vehicle, it'll look less dark than it does in the roll. I'm excited to see it on a car. I think we'll be picking up the S2000 right around the same time next week. And we can go ahead and look into wrapping the car in some vinyl. We'll wrap it right out of the gate just to protect the paint. Then we're going to do, we got a little bit of preventative / scheduled maintenance coming for the S2000. And the actual wrapping of the S2000, so stay tuned for that. So a little backstory on the vinyl. It literally comes directly from China. So my wife was able to find a distributor / manufacturer of vinyl, and we went ahead and ordered some, and the gentleman said that it's very comparable to one of the 3M products. So I mean, we're gonna take that with a grain of salt until it's on the car. So we'll get it on the car soon and get an idea of how well it works, and you know, if this is as easy to install as some of the 3M products that I've done in the past. We might even do a little segment on the 135. You know, I always wanted a black roof on my 135, so maybe we'll go ahead and do a black roof on the 135 in the meantime, just to test out the vinyl. I mean, that's a relatively easy surface to wrap. It might be a good place to get an idea of if the product is gonna conform with the curves at all or not. But anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep your eye out for the actual vinyl install of the S2000 and possibly the roof on the BMW 135i.